Top 10 spookiest conditions. We have taken a look at the top 10 spookiest weather conditions from thunder and lightning and sea light. Same is true lesser known phenomena such as spectrum and fall. Most common forms of scary thunderstorm are taking place at any one time across the globe. The lightning dust storm, dust and sandstorm can be wiped up rapidly by strong wind in the air-grade region. Dust storm can look particularly ominous as they approach as they can up to 40-meter high. Sunset, although often considered beautiful, some particularly vibrant red sunset can create a spooky effect. Roll clouds. These curious looking clouds are a type of cirrus cloud usually associated with thunderstorm on a cold weather front. As these rare clouds often appear to the by the rolling, they often cause fear that surf weather is on the way. This, this occurs when mild air moves over the sea, which is cooler. It can be particularly spooky when sea mist comes during the day and visibility is drastically reduced.